Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive on the Maypen bypass, or the Bustamante Highway as it's also called. So we are driving from Maypen to Sandy Bay. So if you're going from Maypen to Old Harbor, this is the road you would take if you're not going on the highway. So to the right is the Mineral Heights area, and this is the Bustamante Highway. Now, unfortunately, this road has the most fatalities for any road in Jamaica. More fatal crashes occur on this road than any other road in Jamaica. So that's why this is the most dangerous road in Jamaica. So there's a sign, "Welcome to Mineral Heights," on the right. So we're going to take a tour and drive on the road between Maypen and Sandy Bay. Now, I think June or July was Road Safety Month in Jamaica. So they had a lot of discussions, etc., about road use in Jamaica. Now, the major cause for road accidents in Jamaica is speeding. And this road is a straight road. It looks like a runway. So you have a lot of speeding on this road. Another reason for accidents is the way people overtake carelessly, but the main reason is speeding. And there were a lot of other things that the government said they were going to try to do to work on to make the roads safer, basically. But there is a lot of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica, a lot. And the government is trying to pass some new laws. From 2018, they've been trying to upgrade the Road Act, and it should come into law soon. It's now 2022, 4 years later. Not sure why it's taking so long, but it's coming. So that should help with the indiscipline on the roads. But what this new Road Act will mean is that more tickets will be issued. And taxi operators and bus operators are already complaining about the amount of tickets they have and the cost of the tickets. But so when this new Road Safety Act, this new Road Act, or the changes to the Road Act come into effect, persons will be getting bigger tickets and even more tickets. So let's wait and see what happens. Alright, so let's just enjoy the tour of the Bustamante Highway. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. This road leads to a dead end because this was the original route until when the highway was being built. But this road doesn't, it leads to a, this is where the highway used to end in Jamaica. But the first leg of the highway ended here, and then when the second leg was built, this road was no longer used. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.